Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink. So the website name is wiki.com. So this is a streaming platform, the streaming website. So there we got the opportunity to we can create backlink over there, and this is a very authoritative site, and this site are having a very high traffic potential other traffic source. Okay, so the website name is wiki.com, and before this started we can do some research. So according to website according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 76, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 84, spam score is 7%, so this is okay, considerable. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you can see 19.4 million monthly traffic this website having. Okay, and the mostly traffic from USA, Brazil, France, India, and the UK. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you can see that I created my account, and if I can show you my collection, so you can see that I created my collection. So you can create your profile backlink in this website, and also you can create your social bookmarking backlink in this website. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the create account button, and you can see there you can choose you're creating account through the email, so that we can go to put our name, DML training. Then after there you can put your email address, and after you guys will choose your password. After you can click on the create account button, and you can see the account is successfully created. Now you can go to your inbox, and might you receive your verification email. So you can click on this to verify this profile. This will be take a 5 seconds to verify your account. So our account is successfully verified. Now you can click on the profile icon, click on the profile. Then after you can click on the edit profile button. From there you can upload the change your profile picture, and from there you can choose you can change your username, DML training. Then after you can click on the update button, so you can see our profile is successfully updated. After you can click on the my collection button. Here you can click on the create a new collection. So I can going to create one social bookmarking backlink for you guys. So let me show you. This is my website DML training. So I just created one tool. Let me show you. You can see that I created a three SEO tool. So suppose like I created a tool for the image to WebP converter. So you guys will definitely try this tool. So this is a very good tool. So suppose if I can upload any image, and you can see this image size is actual size is 700 KB, and after converting this image size is 73.52 KB. Simply you can click on the download button, then you can download this image. This is a very good tool, and the working very fine, so might definitely you can use this tool. Okay, so let me show you how I can create the social bookmarking backlink. So simply you can put your social bookmarking title here, then after you can add a couple of descriptions. So let me copy from there. So this is my description. So you can put your description here. Then after, if you wanting, so you can add your URL as well. Then after you can click on the submit button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. Who are your friends? So then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. For the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.